Adrian Medina, Stock Market sa Ekonomiya.
Ekonomiya ng ating bansa. Wait lang, mainit. Sa ekonomiya ng ating bansa, ano nga bang epekto ng stock market? Sa aming masusing pag-aaral, sari-saring reaksyon at tanong ang aming natanggap.
Ano pong epekto ng stock market sa ekonomiya?
Ay, hindi ko po alam eh.
Ayun na, pasensya na po. Wala po kung alam mo yung stock market.
Kaya ang aking misyon ay magkaloob ng kalidad na kaalaman sa mga tao hindi pa nakaalam sa epekto ng stock market sa ekonomiya. Sit back and relax. Sa pagkakataon nito, ako muna inyong pakinggan. Ako si Adrian Medina mula sa Gwapoless Production. At ito ang stock market sa ekonomiya.
Una natin pag-usapan ay ang stocks. Ano nga ba ang stocks? Stocks is a type of security that signifies ownership in a corporation and represents a claim on part of the corporation's assets and earnings.
Teka, ano ba sabihin ng stock market? Mukhang hindi ko alam yun eh.
Naman natin pag-usapan ang stock market. Ano nga ba ang stock market? Stock market is the market in which shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded either through exchanges or over-the-counter markets. Also known as the equity, the stock market is one of the most vital components of a free market economy, as it provides companies with access to capital in exchange for giving investors a slice of ownership in the company. The stock market makes it possible to grow small initial sums of money into large ones and to become wealthy without taking the risk of starting a business or making the sacrifices that often accompany a high-paying
Ano pong
career.
effect ng stock market sa ekonomiya ng ating bansa?
Marami siyang epekto. Unang-una sa mga mayayaman. Sabi nga, pag bumagsak ang stock, lalo na yung maliliit na negosyante, sila yung naapektuhan. Nahihirapan silang makarecover. Mawawalan sila ng tiwala sa sarili. Sa investment, ganun din. Sa kayamanan, ganun din. Maraming mga bagay na kung saan naapektuhan ng stock market. Dahil dyan, yan ang sumasalamin sa buhay ng isang negosyo. Pagbagsak ng isang negosyo, lalo sa malaking investment, mawawala ng tiwala ang mga taong mas mabababa dito. Malaking epekto yan. Magkakaroon ng domino effect nga na sinasabi nila sa law of cost of law and supply, demand. Law of supply and demand. Malaki ang epekto niyan. Kaya yung epekto natin sa ekonomiya, kailangan i-maintain natin or pataasin natin yung para wag bumaba katulad sa mga stock market, sa bond, sa treasury. Yan ang mga halimbawa na pwede tayong pangabitan na kung saan yan ang magdadala ng stock market ng bansa. Yan.
Ano nga ba ang epekto ng stock market sa ekonomiya? A collapse in share prices has the potential to cause widespread economic disruption. Also, a fall in share prices doesn't necessarily cause an economic downturn. Una, ang wealth effect. The first impact in that people with shares will see a fall in their wealth. If the fall is significant, it will affect their financial outlook. If they are losing money on shares, they will be more hesitant to spend money. This can contribute to a fall in consumer spending. However, the effect should not be given too much importance. Often people who buy shares are prepared to lose money. Their spending patterns are usually independent of share prices, especially for short-term losses. The wealth effect is more prominent in the housing market. Pangalawa, ang effect on pensions. Anybody with a private pension or investment trust will be affected by the stock market, at least indirectly. Pension funds invest a significant part of their funds on the stock market. Therefore, if there is a serious fall in the stock market prices, it reduces the value of pension funds. This means that the future pension payouts will be lower. Effect on pensions. If share prices fall too much, pension funds can struggle to meet their promises. The important thing is the long-term movements in the share prices. If share prices fall for a long time, then it will definitely affect pension funds and future payouts. Sumunod naman ng confidence. Often, share price movements are reflections of what is happening in the economy. A fear of a recession and global slowdown could cause share prices to fall. The stock market itself can affect consumer confidence. Bad headlines of falling share prices are another factor which discourage people from spending. On its own, it may not have much effect, but combined with falling house prices, share prices can be a discouraging factor. However, there are times when the stock market can appear out of step with the rest of the economy. In the depth of a recession, share prices may rise as investors look forward to a recovery 2 years in the future. Falling share prices can hamper firms' ability to raise finance on the stock market. Firms who are expanding wish to borrow often do so by issuing more shares. It provides a low-cost way of borrowing more money. However, with falling share prices, it becomes much more difficult. Pang-apat ang bond market. A fall in the stock market makes other investments more attractive. People may move out of shares and into government bonds or gold. These investments offer a better return in times of uncertainty. Though sometimes the stock market could be falling over concerns in government bond markets.
It will be more accessible to more businesses so that when they have access to capital, their businesses can grow faster, thus the economy will grow faster. Or people who invest in the stock market can use their earnings to put up businesses, which will help the economy grow. Okay? But the thing is, stock markets are just pieces of paper or part ownership of a company. So you're trading them to buy low sell high. The economy, you're talking about actual goods, actual services. Stock market, no real production on lumabas. So may relationship kahit pa paano yan. But stock market is one way for you to raise capital to help your business grow faster. Okay? So yeah.
Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.
To ang stock market sa ekonomiya. Paalam.